Let's try this problem. So we are going to multiply 3 and 5 over 6, so 3 times 5 over 6. Okay, so a lot of students like to put in placeholders when they see an integer. You know, that's really 3 over 1, and sometimes that's helpful, and if that's helpful to you, I want you to do that. So then because we're just multiplying, you know, we've kind of created a second fraction here. Because we're just multiplying two fractions, all we need to do is multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. So that's going to be 15 over 6. And again, you must write it in simplest form. They're both divisible by 3. So that's going to be 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So there you go. Your answer is 5 over 2. Now, remember, the other option is to divide things out before we get to multiplication, which can be, in a problem like this, didn't matter too much, okay? Because it was easy to reduce that fraction or simplify that fraction, but sometimes with more complex fractions, it makes more sense to kind of simplify along the way. So again, we can put the 1 in here if you want to. So we've got a 3 and a 6, okay? So we can divide that out, so that becomes a 1, that becomes a 2. And then it's 1 times 5, which is 5, and 1 times 2, which is 2. So 5 over 2. There you go.